I am at the Thiebaud Farmstead in Vevay, Indiana for Heydays. This is a living history event at the historic farmstead where interpreters operate the newly restored hay press. The Thiebaud family were hay producers in the mid-19th century. That was the big business of Vevay for a long time. Here in this relocated barn is an authentic hay press, just like the one the Thiebauds used over 150 years ago. The Switzerland County Historical Society has fully reassembled and restored this barn and its hay press, providing for a unique opportunity to see it in action today. That is the Mormon hay press, which is about 3 stories tall. It utilizes a pulley system that is rotated by a horse or mule at the bottom of the hay press. The horse, in this case, turns the screw that raises the pressing block on the second level. Then once the hay is piled into the press, they send the pressing block crashing down, and after doing that a few times, forming a full-size hay bale. This authentic Mormon hay press was invented here in Switzerland County, Indiana, by Samuel Hewitt in 1843. While there were once over 200 of these hay presses in operation in this county, this is one of only a few left, and the only one in working order. It's actually one of the only antique hay presses in working condition in the nation.
And after we get it all pressed, then we'll open these doors and tie it off and pull that bale out of here. Lester, you about ready to lift that block? Yep. All right. You grab the ball. Fill this up with hay. If you look, right in here, when these barns are usually set up, you have a doorway on both ends. You just pull the wagon in, unload it right off the wagon while you're baling hay. If you got too much hay to bale, you can toss it off the other side into the hay mill. And then, throughout the season, you can bale that hay. There we go. One rotation. There's an interesting, simple lever mechanism on the back that allows you to open both sides of the door at once. It's kind of interesting mechanism. This old girl, making sure she's going just right.
Hay that was grown here was exceptionally good for horses, and so all of the horse farms here.
Drop it! Coming down. All right, go upstairs. There is the bale. Angus, don't take it. Okay.
No, I want that.
Hickory slips. And they didn't use a piece of thin hickory that was kept wet. There we go! Show here. The upper part of the block is kind of tough to see. So we got here This here is on a hinge.
Well, that was cool to see. A rare opportunity to witness a unique piece of agricultural technology in action. Now let's take a look at the Thiebaud farmhouse itself. This wonderful Greek Revival house overlooks the Ohio River and was built in the 1850s. However, the Thiebauds arrived in Switzerland County and settled this land long before then. Frederick and Harriet Thiebaud immigrated from Switzerland in 1817 and were among the original Swiss settlers here in what became Switzerland County, Indiana. They may have participated in viticulture. John Dufour, the founder of Vevay, attempted to start vineyards and viticulture here in America. However, that was not terribly successful, and the Thiebauds followed the times and transitioned to hay production. This home was built by Frederick and Harriet's son Justy Thiebaud, who ran the farm and lived here with his family. Down at the river, the Thiebauds probably had their own river landing, so boats could pick up their 400-pound hay bales and ship them to markets and other places. The restored farmhouse is packed with plenty of period antiques. Here is the parlor of the Thiebaud Farmstead, which has an authentic Victorian hair wreath.
I can show you how that happens after your.
For Heydays, there are several interpreters working these sewing machines.
So anyway, and if you haven't heard about it either. And she says it's very popular. I mean, I'm here. So we're gonna hang. I'm doing the spinning wheel. Now, this is a sewing machine that...
This mechanical sewing machine was manufactured in the 1850s and still works. Now upstairs, obviously the bedrooms were up here, so there are several antique rope beds. This is the kitchen of the farmhouse, which is separated from the main house. They are currently making something in here. That's a sausage maker. Here are some relics excavated around the farmstead. They are holding a 19th century dance here in the breezeway behind the house.
One's down the outside. Back the other way.
There was also some smithing going on at Heydays.
Tie a rope on there and walk down the bank until they pulled the boat into 7-inch leeches. And it's hard on the beach shore 'cause the moon stars low. Way down Swanee Town on the old wide old that was written about it.
So that was Hay Day at the Thiebaud Farmstead. It was really great to see the restoration of the hay press. A lot of work went into that. Definitely come out to their Heydays events if you can. If you enjoyed the video, then please check out my other videos featuring Vevay history, as well as all sorts of historic places, museums, roadside attractions, and much more across the nation. Also, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!